Distribution of fresh water on the surface of the earth in lakes and swamps respectively are 87% and 11%. The Vijayanagara king, who was defeated by sultans of 5 Bahmani kingdoms in Tallikota war, Aliyarama Raya. In Andhra Pradesh, the Water, Land and Trees Protection Act is being implemented from 1904-2002. The practice of Namghas was set up by Shankaradeva. The highest temperature recorded in Libya in the year 1992 was 57.8 degrees centigrade. In 1866, the East India Association in London was organized by Dadabhai Nauroji. This subject comes under state list agriculture. Pinjori was the biography of Sheikh Nasser. The first one-day international cricket match was played between England and Australia in this city, Melbourne. The tribes in southeastern and southwestern portions of Nigeria respectively are Igbo and Yoruba. In British India, the separate electorates for the Muslims were implemented from 1909. In 1994, Supreme Court laid down strict norms for the use of this Article 356. The movement that aims at ensuring the ability of the earth to nurture life in all its diversity. Greenpeace movement. U-shaped and V-shaped valleys are created by glaciers and rivers. Rain-bearing and vertical clouds are called as nimbus. The 4 most famous European explorers who mapped vast areas of southern Africa and Central Africa, David Livingstone and H.M. Stanley. The person who said that the Earth's rotation causes day and night and actually the sun is not revolving around the Earth, Aryabhatta. The oldest municipality in Andhra Pradesh, Bhimunipatnam or Bhimili, was established in this year, 1861. The Adivasis of Andhra Pradesh, Kolam. By the beginning of 20th century, this country had developed a powerful industrial base and challenged Britain, Germany. The activities that are not related to social studies teachers' preparations, grading the students based on evaluation procedures. The teacher explained the lesson, Earth's rotation, with the help of the models, real objects and puppets. This belong to this type of teaching aids, 3-dimensional aids. The approach that leads the determine the generalizations and theories through the observation of specific concepts by the students is inductive approach. The term social studies is used to study the interrelationship between the historical, geographical and sociological aspects, is stated by James Hemmings. In this chapter and section of 40 to 2009, the School Management Committee Constitution and its functions are mentioned. Chapter 4, Section 21. By observing the map in the classroom, a student is able to say the important industrial parks in Andhra Pradesh indicates the reflection of this learning outcome. Map reading. Content material, topics, learning experiences and its depth, intensity and extensiveness, etc. denotes the following of social science subject. Scope. NPE 1986 suggested to follow the common core curriculum throughout this country, basing on this priority in social studies. 80% of common curriculum throughout the country, 20% as local needs. At the end of his social studies lesson, the questions related to appreciation and sensitivity given under improve your learning make the students to answer as follows. Scope to answer by thinking beyond the text. By inviting carpenters, weavers and porters in the school to share their experiences with students, we can inculcate these values among the students. Vocational values.